Hey everyone, today I have the EdgUp with me and we're going to be reviewing it. This is a neckline shaving template, which is great because my mom actually shaves my dad's hair in our house, which makes it so much easier for him. So here it is opened up so you can see is a neckline shaving template, and this is what it looked like. If I had to explain it to you guys, it's basically a backwards mask. It is made out of silicone, so if anything, you can accidentally hit this with a shaver and nothing bad is going to happen. But pretty much you're going to wrap this around the head, and this is going to make a straight line in the bottom where you can cut the hair perfectly straight. You guys, this is incredible, and it's going to save my dad some embarrassment because sometimes we mess up here and there, and that is normal. We're not barbers, so if you cut your hair at home or you need a touch up here and there, this is incredible. It is easy to trim and shave and use for those perfect lineups, you guys. So go check this out. It is so durable. It is made of such high quality material, and we really like this. Last point I want to make, it is also adjustable as well, so it is that much better. Maybe you have a bigger head and you need to stretch a little bit more. Maybe it's too big on you, so you can tighten it down. Check this out, you guys. 10 out of 10 from us, and 10 out of 10 for my dad's haircut for sure.